Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE. This car's a 73 plate. So it's really new. It's done 3,000 miles. It's one owner. It's got a sliding sunroof. It's finished in Eiger Grey. It's got black exterior pack. It's got a contrasting black roof. 22 SV two-tone Bespoke wheels. The car's priced at $77,990. It's only done 3,000 miles. This car with a list price new, not even that long ago, 8 months ago, 97,000 it was new. What a buy for somebody. You've got all your Land Rover warranty, all your Land Rover assist. We don't get many in grey either. We get lots of blacks and whites. Black exterior pack, so badging, the inserts on the dynamic grille, the front splitter, again, on the front, so it looks really, really well. That's all an optional extra package. It gives you the black on the bonnet, on the wings. The wheels, upgraded 22s. If you look at the wheels closely, they're your two-tone. You've got a gloss finish and then a matte finish. They've opted for the black calipers. Again, suits the exterior look of the car. Now, I like this. On the ones I've ordered in the past for myself, I always put a contrasting roof. So you've got Eiger Grey, black roof, privacy glass. You can see sliding sunroof. They don't all come with a sliding sunroof. They're all fixed. Then the rear dynamic bumpers, all in gloss black. Big spoiler, and it just sits and looks lovely. Then you've got them wonderful LED lights, which are all split into the back. LED lights at the front, LED lights at the back. Deployable door handles. Let me show you inside. So this car has got ebony leather inside, which again I think is the right colour for the exterior. So you can see the ebony. You've got Meridian speaker system, rear heated seats. Beautiful all the way through. Sliding sunroof and an ebony roof lining. Sometimes you've got to be careful. Sometimes you get in and the roof lining's in like a cream. So that's the right roof lining. And then as we get in, I'm just going to show you some of the features. So starting on the mirrors here, you can see you've got your blind spot monitoring, all your safety features, 20-way heated seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. The seats in the new Sport are so much more comfortable than the previous model, and I say that a lot of the times, but every time I jump in a Sport, and every time I've sold one to somebody, certainly the new model, they notice such a big difference in the seats. The wider, the more comfortable, they've got much more lumbar. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise control, got the new digital cockpit. Up here, I think it's very important, I've mentioned it a few times, sliding sunroof, it's about a £1,500 optional extra. Makes it very, very popular though, having that option. You've then got all your other features. So everything works off your big screen. You know, the camera system's absolutely superb. 360 3D camera system. You've got things like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, digital climate control. I've mentioned about the seat, the heated in the front and the same for the rear. And then you've got all your other little apps, your Alexa, your weather apps, your vehicle health, your cabin lighting. I think the very important thing with this car is as well is the mileage. I think 3,084 is really, really low miles. I'll show you in the back. Boot space is big. All that bottom, this row of seats here is electric as well, so if you need to drop them down, so you can see the boot's huge, but if you need to drop them seats down, press of a button, and it's as easy as that. So that is Eiger Grey D300 Dynamic SE, black roof, 22-inch wheels, sliding sunroof with only 3,000 miles. It's going live on the website. Give me a call.